seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. Ike stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now, put it down next to the apartment block. Great! Now, get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Could you be a love and pick up my, fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Nice one. Here's your payment. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. Rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like. Oh, you idiots! One of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm. Oh, well, that's just great. He tripped the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Head towards the payphones for another assignment. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. You idiot! The crime lord's brother was in there. How are we supposed to get our money now? The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the train. Get out of here. Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great. Now kill them for some extra money. Now blow up the car. Okay, now kill the rest. Ah, you stupid fool! The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Ah, you stupid fool! The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the train. Get out of here. Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Great. Now kill them for some extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Get your ass down to the phones for